but all my teachers spoke Malayalam. And I get in trouble in school all the time. They take me to the principal's office and say, Ali, what is this? You're such a useless boy. You're always late to the class. You're a completely stupid fellow. And here's something Malayalis do. They switch to their language without warning you beforehand, just like in the middle of a sentence. You're such a stupid boy. You're always late to the class. Here's another thing they do. They speak for 20 minutes without breathing. It's incredible. And his assistant is standing there. He wants to agree with him. He just doesn't have a window. So he just waits for that thing. When he says something really important, he says, this one his assistant has to go, ah.